Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fluent Talk Podcast, where we learn English through real conversations. Today's topic is one we all love. Describe your best friend.
That's right. Everyone has that one special person who makes life a little brighter. So, Jura, tell us, who's your best friend?
Well, my best friend's name is Remy. We've known each other since childhood. She's honest, funny, and always supports me, especially when I feel down. I think the best thing about her is that she listens without judging.
That's really nice. Sounds like a true friend. What kind of things do you two usually do together?
Oh, we do a lot. We study together, go for evening walks, and sometimes just talk about life for hours. She's also very good at giving advice, especially when I overthink things.
I think we all need a friend like that. For me, my best friend is Nahin. He's super positive and motivates me to keep learning English. Whenever I feel lazy, he says, "Come on, you can do it."
That's amazing. You know, best friends really shape who we are. I believe friendship teaches us loyalty, patience, and kindness.
Absolutely. And for our listeners, think about your own best friend. How would you describe them in English? Try to write a few sentences and share it in the comments below.
Great idea. And don't forget to subscribe to Fluent Talk for more English conversations and podcast lessons.